To install the Realtek High Definition audio driver on your Windows 11 computer, start by opening the Start menu and searching for Device Manager. Click to open it. Next, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section by clicking the drop-down arrow. In the list, locate your Realtek audio device, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then go to the Driver tab to view details about your current driver. If the driver is outdated, you can proceed with installing the latest version. To do this, open your web browser and search for Realtek Audio Driver. Click on the official Realtek website from the search results, which will take you to the Downloads page. Scroll down to find the available drivers and select the 64-bit version, typically the second option. Download the executable file. Before downloading, agree to the terms and conditions and complete any required verification, such as entering characters shown on the screen. The file will then begin downloading to your computer. Keep in mind that the download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder, right-click the file, and choose Run as Administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. The installation process should only take a few moments. And that's it. You've successfully installed the latest Realtek audio driver on your system.